How would you like a life-changing experience? Your best semester abroad at a world-class institution, including return flights, 5 months accommodation, tuition, and unforgettable adventures in beautiful Queensland, Australia. 20 talented and inspirational students will have the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to take high-quality English and vocational training classes at above world standard, live with an Australian family in homestay or student accommodation with the other amazing winners, and see the World Heritage Sites of Queensland. It's simple to enter. All you need to do is send us a 1-minute video telling us why Queensland is the next step in your life journey. After 1 semester, the 5 best students will have the opportunity to win up to $30,000 towards a university degree. Check out all the details at our website, bestsemesterabroad.com.au, and explore the endless opportunities waiting for you in Queensland.